today we're at the root beer store and I'm Anastasia.
And I'm Carlin, and today we're going to be taste testing one of the newer root beers that we have in the store, which is called Sprecher Maple.
Be sure to tell us down below in the comment section if you've ever had it before or if you'd be willing to try it.
So, to give you guys a brief background on this root beer specifically, it is manufactured by Sprecher Brewing Company. They're based out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and they have something unique that they do to all their sodas, which is they fire brew it.
So Sprecher also loves to work with local companies around them, and for this one they teamed up with a maple syrup company called the Andersons.
Good name. And so this specific root beer is sweetened with pure cane sugar, but also the maple syrup that is the flavoring, the maple flavoring. So to give you guys a breakdown of how we review our root beers, we are going to do it in a couple different categories. And so the first one is just how it looks. Just overall, in general, the presentation of it, how well the company did with making the label and just making it look appealing. Next category is the vapor. So whenever you pop a cap of a soda or root beer, there's some CO2 that is like just in this area right here. Next category, we just call it first sip, and that is just right when it hits your tongue, just the flavors that you initially taste when it's in your mouth. And just it has the maximum amount of carbonation usually. And last category is the aftertaste. So just as soon as it's out of your mouth, the flavor that's left over, and usually actually the flavor that lingers is different completely, or it could be the same. I don't know. Let's try it. Definitely can smell the syrup and like almost honey, a little hint of vanilla actually. Alright, and here we go. Wow, tastes like a Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, actually, the maple is actually stronger and like
Let me see.
more dominant than I thought it would be. Not too carbonated either, like a good medium.
Probably lightly carbonated.
Yeah.
Aftertaste is a little bit like sassafras, I want to say. Still sweet. It's not like it doesn't change to anything else, but sweet. It's always just smooth. Yeah, very smooth in general. I'd say very smooth.
Creamy, almost.
Yeah. All right. Overall, what'd you think in general?
Definitely one I'd recommend. I'm also a fan of the more creamy root beers, and I think smoother ones, and this is one that would go in that category.
I would say probably one of the best maple root beers I've ever had. There's not too many, but
yeah,
definitely one of the best ones.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you guys are a fan of root beer or liked what you saw, we will be reviewing a ton more to come, so subscribe and give us a like. If you want to know more about Sprecher or the specific maple Sprecher root beer, we'll have links down below, and also come check us out in store in Sandy, Utah if you're local.
Be sure to tune in next month. We'll be reviewing Sparky's Fresh Draft root beer that comes in normal bottles and large bomber bottles, actually. Pretty cool. What? That's just stupid. What do you think of it, bro? He likes it. He approves.